Hi students, this is CS Riya Jain and today we'll be talking about how to score marks in exams. So let's begin. So most students study company law, ratta marke and still end up losing marks. Now why is that so? Is it because they didn't study enough? No, it's just that they studied the wrong way. I have seen most students या तो सेक्शन याद करने की कोशिश करेंगे या फिर अपनी पूरी एनर्जीज 600 पेज की जो आपकी मॉड्यूल है वो रटने में लगा देंगे या फिर सारा का सारा फोकस उनका लैंग्वेज पे होता है विच इज रॉन्ग बिकॉज सडनली व्हेन केस बेस्ड क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है एग्जाम में तो सडनली दे डोंट नो or they don't understand how to answer that and what to answer. So, as a practicing company secretary, I can tell you one thing. Most issues arise not because people don't understand law or people don't know the law. They know the law, but it's just that they don't understand its application. So that's where the major problem arises. So instead of studying like this, let's try and study like this. Let's understand the concept, let's understand the logic, let's understand its application, and then we'll come towards memorizing the sections. Because yes, quoting sections in exam does give you that edge over the others. It does help you score a little extra marks because it shows that yes, you know. So it is important to quote sections, but again, the weightage is more towards understanding the concept rather than just quoting the section. And language is also important because your answer has to be in a certain flow, it has to be presented in a certain way. So again, that is also important. But again, the thing is the weightage towards understanding the concept, understanding the law, logic, application is more rather than just the language. So it is important, but maximum amount of your energy and time should be this side rather than this side. And always remember that examiner is not checking your memory, he's just checking your understanding. So in this channel, I'm not going to read out sections to you. I'm just going to help you understand the logic, understand the concept, understand its application, and how can we connect it towards practical scenario. And I'll help you write like write answers in your exams, and which will eventually help you score. So don't worry if you've been studying company law like this. You're not alone. But from today on, let's fix that the right way. If this video helped you, then this channel is for you. Hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.